We're going, man. We're doing it. A little bit of a tornado here, people. For those of us,
right.
Those of you following
it's
our,
like the deadliest catch on TV.
yeah, those of you following our misadventures, we're heading into the abyss.
Descent.
Going into the descent.
Oh God, oh Lord.
So we really can't see shit. And I mean, we're only up 14,000 feet. It's really no big deal.
Oh, there's that. Look, autonomous cars. They can't figure out where they're at.
Yeah, the way of the future.
Is it Michigan?
Yeah.
Is it?
There is. Pure Michigan.
Oh, for crying out loud! Is there anybody in them?
Liberals.
Look at there, a whole bunch of them.
Oh yeah, shit.
You guys, what you fit to do?
We're all from Michigan too. The good news is we are the only people on the road, so that makes us either brave or stupid or both.
You gotta get out of here.
I can barely see the road up too.
One thing you'd have to worry about, the brakes getting overheated.
Right?
Oh, this way. No.
I literally cannot see in front of us at all.
Look at visibility. Look at this guy.
Yeah, he's got way bigger stones than I do.
Oh, yeah. Get your headlights on?
Yeah, it should be in that auto.
Well, at least one thing you can't see down that side.
Which is good.
Yeah, it's like, oh, there's a wall there. It's good.
Which is good, yeah. We're good. Oh my gosh.
This ain't too bad. As long as you keep the hole on your side.
Yeah, I mean,
This ain't nothing, man. Look, I don't see nothing over here. Do you?
no. And now, this is all you hear though when we come around these hairpin
buddy.
triggers. If anyone is following me, I feel really sorry for them because I'm not going to go fast. I'm going to be a little bitch on this one. Look, dude, you can't even like.
Oh man, watch the yellow. Keep an eye on the yellow.
Hey, this is stupid. I'm not gonna lie, this is stupid. Oh shit. We only have 7.5 more miles to go. We'll be alright. We'll be alright.
Keep it in that yellow line there.
Oh, I'm right the yellow line, man.
How you doing over here? I got you a video.
I can't look.
We can't see.
I'm holding on
5
for
feet
dear
ahead of
life.
us. We're like 15,000 feet up in the air, man.
We're the only people on the road right now.
Now there's people coming up. There it is, man. Can't even see off the... Man. There it is. I can remember what was on my memory up there. What's that? Oh, easy.
Go flying off the cliff
It'd be like a dang waterfalls. Avalanche.
Oh my god. Oh, this is brutal.
I think if it was bad, they wouldn't let you go down. What do you think?
Unless we snuck behind her and she didn't
Oh.
see us. It's like, hey, where are you idiots going?
There's like a river right. Oh man.
It was hailing up there. We only got 7.2
Look
more
at the
miles
temperature.
to
It's
go.
48. You got colder.
shit.
Oh, here's a boat.
Hey, we only got 7.3 miles to go.
Dark.
Sure is. We're gonna drive into a tornado.
drop off, or if there's, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you definitely don't know. Literally in a cloud.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Bill, and this is Jackass.
Them guys still making them shows, Jackass?
If not, they can have this one. I don't think so. They're too old now.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do it. They're in their 40s and 50s, and I've never done anything.
Dope, man.
I've never done anything remotely close to what those idiots doing. It hurts me to get up after sitting down for 2 hours.
Yeah. There's the Bigfoot.
Yeah, this is when we'll see him.
You got him on radio, on video though. The stream's getting bigger over there.
Well, as soon as we get down, the sun's going to come out.
I know.
It is getting brighter out.
See nothing.
He white knuckling it too.
Look at it. He got his windshield all fogged up. Oh no.
That's the EV Blizzard.
Looks like Mars moonscape. Don't it? Like Mars?
It does. Definitely getting better.
Come out when
Be cool
it's raining out.
That would be cool to see one now. There's that busted guardrail. Yeah, on your side, so hold on tight.
Oh, dang.
Hold on tight, man.
Somebody hits this stuff.
Look, it is so foggy you can barely see that rock over there.
You know what? It's not a rock, it's a mountain like 100 miles away.
Can't even see it. Look at out there, man.
Yep.
Holy shit. Rain's picking up a little bit here.
It's 43, man. It's almost freezing. Like wintertime, man.
Hey, as long as there's no ice. No ice. Man, it's getting worse again. Look at this. It's getting worse again.
Oh, God, no. We got a scraper.
Oh, man, I don't think so.
Scraping a windshield.
If for some reason we don't make it, I hope you guys enjoy this video we put out for you. Just out here creating some content.
43 degrees right now. I'm looking for animals.
All right, well, you see it. Let me know.
Keep an eye on that side.
I'm looking at that
Right.
white. I'm riding the white line.
That's right.